So today I'm gonna be taking off the rear tire on a 2005 Yamaha TTR 125 LE. The first thing you want to do is you're going to put it on a bucket or stand to get the rear tire in the air, and then you're going to want to start off by taking off these guards, one up top and one on the rear, and they're all 10mm bolts. So let's do that. Alright, so next step after the guards is you're going to take off your brake rod that connects to the foot brake, and I already took that off camera because it was bent. So you're going to take that off. It's going to have a wing nut connected right here. You're going to unscrew the wing nut or down there. Unscrew the wing nut, and there should be like also a wing nut on the foot brake. You're going to pull off that rod. Then that's it for that step. Next, you want to take off the axle bolt. That's basically what holds the wheel on. Right there. Bolt right here, and I believe it's 17mm. And I'm just gonna break that loose, and I'll show you guys what next to do. And before you actually start, you're gonna want to take pictures where everything is. I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures of that, and then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side to make sure you know where everything's at, or just take a quick video around so that when you put it back together you know exactly where to put everything. So what you're gonna want to do now is, I got the bolt, washer, and that little housing off. Get myself a little rubber mallet, and I'm gonna start tapping the axle out. And here, we're gonna start pulling it out. I can't do it with my hands, I'm gonna do it with two hands. Might have to cut. Swing it out and pulling it. You're going to support the tire with one arm. Then just pull out the whole axle. You're going to want to drop that. Then you're going to go ahead and just pull off the chain. Pick up the tire. And when I was pulling off the tire, the axle bolt is completely dry. So that's why I had some trouble taking it off. When you put it back on, you're going to grease it up really nice to put it back in, because basically the tire just rides on this. There you go. Just take off the chain and pull off the tire. Goes around. Just when you're gonna put it back on, put everything back in reverse. And that's how you take off the rear tire. Thanks for watching EZauto-Boyz. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Peace out.